But why do we want to improve the data quality? Well, because at best, our study will be as good as our data quality. This is something that I pointed to earlier. Low quality data, especially stage 1, when it is a distortion of the reality, will yield a low quality study which might be misleading. So what you want to study crime in UK, and instead of this is your reality, and your data must reflect that reality. But let's assume you do not study the crime in UK, but very specific part of the UK, and this specific part is a hot spot. Okay, it's a very crime infested place or location. In that case, your analysis would be misleading. It would exaggerate the problem of crime in UK. Let's think about another case when you choose somewhere with very low crime rate. In that case also, the data set is not reflecting the whole reality. Okay, and that study also would be misleading. We want our data set to be realistic. So we believe that there is a reality out there, and our data set is reflecting, is mirroring that reality. But low quality stage 2, when it is not prepared to serve the purpose, is not ready to reveal all patterns and associations. Thus, will lead to a low quality predictive model if we want to do a predictive study, or if we want to explore an exploration that fails to reach its full potential, or let's say data's full potential. So our data scientists must invest a great amount of time to improve the quality of the data in the second stage, to reach it to a point that we can feed it into a machine learning model, either unsupervised or supervised, or we can do some exploration and visualization with it. Okay, so this is the reason behind our efforts to improve data quality, to find the flaws in the data quality and amend them. So, okay, now we know what data quality is about. We know and we agree that it is important to improve the data quality, to have a data of high quality. But how we can detect the flaws in the quality of data, and how we can improve and we can amend that situation. It is said that we cannot manage something, i.e. we cannot improve it unless we can measure that something quantitatively. I wish I could introduce you to an overall measure of data quality for any data set, something like the quality index. Like saying that the quality index of this data set is 98 out of 100. But I cannot do so. I don't know any satisfactory index. Nevertheless, I can give you an ordered checklist to go through in order to be sure that our data meets the minimums of quality measures. And this is the topic of the next part of the lecture.